Hi students, today we shall discuss the exercise problems about exercise problems. Now we take exercise 1.1. First man, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Here some situations are given. Just we have to find whether it is AP or not, and we have to give the reason. Just why it is AP or not. First problem: the taxi after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. When the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. Just each and every problem has its own solution. Say here also a solution. Taxi fare for 1 kilometer 15 is given. We call it as A1, first term. Taxi fare for second kilometer for 2 kilometers 15 plus additional for each additional kilometer, that is ₹8. 15 rupees plus ₹8, that is 23. This is A2, second term A2. Taxi fare for 3 kilometers ₹23 plus additional charge ₹8. This sum is ₹31, that is A3, third term. Taxi fare for 4 kilometers ₹31 plus additional charge ₹8. Total is ₹39, that is A4. Similarly write and so on. A3, A5, A6. Next we have to consider difference between a term and its preceding term. Now A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Here A2 is 23 minus A1 ₹51. Difference is ₹8. A3 minus A2, that is 31 minus 23. Same, we get ₹8. A4 minus A3, 39 minus ₹31. Here also we get 8. Differences are same. Here D is constant. D is ₹8. So that is AK plus 1 minus AK means succeeding term minus its preceding term. In general we call it as AK plus 1 minus AK is the same for every time. So this list of numbers form an AP because all the differences are constant. So it is an AP with the first term A is equal to ₹15 and the common difference D is ₹8. Okay dear students, now we take another problem. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs ₹150 for the first meter and rises by ₹50 for each subsequent meter. First, we have to understand the problem. What they are given here: cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, the cost is ₹150, and each and every meter it rises by ₹50. Just simply draw one well. Just 1 meter, it is ₹1 meter of digging. 1 meter is cost ₹150, and next 1 meter, it is each and every meter adding preceding rupees by 50. Here second meter is 150 plus 50, that is 200. Similarly, we write here cost of digging the well after 1 meter of digging. It is rupees 150. Here it is given, that is we call it is A1. A1 means first touch. Cost of digging the well after second meter of digging. It is 150 and additional 50 rupees we have to add, that is 150 plus 50 rupees 200. We call it as second term, that is A2. See here, cost of digging the well after 3 meters of digging. Rupees second term we have to 50 rupees for the second term, that is 200 plus 50 rupees 250, that is A3. Cost of digging the well after 4 meters of digging, that is equal to rupees 250 plus 50, that is 300. This is A4. Similarly, we write and so on, A5, A6 and so on. Now consider A2 minus A1, that is 200 minus 150, difference is 50. Third term minus second term, 250 minus rupees 200, this is equal to 50. A4 minus A3, rupees 300 minus rupees 250, that is 50. Here D is constant, difference is constant. So we already know in any situation there is difference is constant, that is AP. So here that is AK plus 1 minus AK in general. Either we take N plus 1 minus AK, or in general we take here AK plus 1 minus AK is the same for every time. So this list of numbers form an AP with the first term A is equal to rupees 150 and the common difference is rupees 50, that is D. D is equal to 50. In the exercise 1.1, second main, write the first 4 terms of the AP. When the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. In the first problem, A is given and B is given. We already know the first term, second term, third term of an AP. The first term A1, that is A. It is given 10. You just write A is equal to 10, first term. Similarly, we take second term A2. How can you get A2? If you add different to its preceding term A1 plus D, we get A2. A1 means 10 plus difference is given, that is 10 plus 10 20. A2 is equal to 20. In the same way, third term A3. How can you obtain A3? A2 plus D, second term plus difference. Second term is 20 plus difference is 10. It is given 20 plus 10 30. A3 is 30. Fourth term A4, because A3 plus D, its preceding term A3, and we have to difference, adding the difference, we get 30 plus 10. A4 is 40. Hence, first 4 terms of the given AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. Similarly, we take another one. Second problem, A equals minus 2. A first term is minus 2 and difference is 0. Similarly, we write first term A1, that is A is equal to minus 2. It is given. A1 first term is minus 2. Second term A2, because A1 plus D, A1 is -2 plus difference 0. These two sum is -2. Third term is equal to A3 is preceding term A2. A2 plus D equals -2 plus 0. A3 is also a -2. Fourth term A4. A3 plus D. A3 is -2 plus 0. A4 also -2. Hence, first four terms of the given AP are -2, -2, -2 respectively. Okay, dear students. Third line. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. First problem is 3, 1, -1, -3 and so on. In this problem, we just identify first term and common difference. First term is the first term. A is equal to 3. Common difference we have A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. If we get the difference, we just take difference of second term minus first term. A1 minus 3 minus 2. Similarly, we take third term minus second term. D is equal to -1 -1. This is also -2. D is equal to -2. First term is 3 and difference is -2. Similarly, in the next problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. In this problem, we have to identify first term and common difference. This is the simple problem. First term is the first term. A equals 0.6. Fine. Similarly, the common difference D, second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6, difference is 1.1. So, third term minus second term, 2.8 minus 1.7, 1.1. Difference is constant. If you take the fourth term minus third term, this is also the difference is 1.1. Thank you. Dear students, in the exercise 1.1, so many problems are there. You yourself solve. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, students. Remaining things will be discussed in the next class.